more options, 7-zip extract here. No to all, click on no to all. Now the jar file, when jar file will be downloaded, scroll down, you can see it. 1 minute. Yeah, that is a double click. Yeah, you can, this ODI we can double click and you can do the installation also. Right, double click. It takes 1 minute to pop up. Run as administrator. Right click and run as administrator.
Okay.
The installer, double click is not allowing. Right click and run as administrator. Anything option do you have? Show more options.
Okay.
Otherwise, go to the
Okay.
command prompt in the admin mode.
Okay. Okay.
This is not, go to your downloads location. That is, you go to the C drive, go to the Windows C drive, users, you select your user, Nagras, downloads, copy this, CD, and go. Now you go, take the name of the file name, that FMW something, rename it. Go with the rename.
Yeah, I just copied it.
It's not allowing to. And the header, you go on the header, command prompt header is there, no? Top, that window header. Right click on the header, edit, paste, dot jar, or you can use the tab, enter. It takes 1 minute time to pop up that window. If not pop up, then use.
Okay.
Okay, it is asking to do with the Java. Yeah, you can use. Yeah, it's okay. You type C full colon slash Java hyphen JDK, not that reverse slash Java J you type slash JDK and tab you press tab slash Java space hyphen jar space the file name what you copy. Yes, not jar tab. Anything is okay. Anything is okay.
Okay. Okay.
Rather than we copying this file into that location, now we try to go into this location and we mention the Java location and we are
Okay. As ODI Java application, it's supporting this command only.
yeah. It's not double click, it's not allowing like how the WebLogic we install, it is asking also to do with the Java.
Okay.
Go ahead with the next. Skip updates.
Auto updates. Yeah.
I don't want updates. Go with the default. I don't want to get updates. We get auto update. Go ahead with the next. And now we need to give the location where we install the WebLogic server. For example, you go with the drop down, there you can see there is the location where do we install the WebLogic server. Select that location. Go ahead with the next.
Okay.
Here we
Logic
have
location is prem you selected or it is defaultly
automatic
that path?
defaultly that path has come and we continue with the same path. We not change it.
Okay.
Now, as if you see here, we have two types of installations we have. One is the standard installer, another one is the enterprise installer. As if you go with the standard installer, we get the standalone agent, we get it. We don't get the Java enterprise agent. That means that if you go with a standard installer, it is not bundled with the WebLogic. WebLogic is not required because we don't require it. It's not going to configure my Java enterprise edition is not going to be configured.
Okay. And in general in company we'll have enterprise installation.
Like generally development environment we go with a standalone, production we go with the enterprise installation.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
unless you do the enterprise installation, I cannot get the Java enterprise agent. Unless I get the Java enterprise agent, I cannot get the ODI console. I can't get the enterprise manager. I cannot get the WebLogic admin console. Those all as an administration activities has to be done. I need to go only with the enterprise installer.
Okay. Okay.
And as if you see here, selected futures, if you see it, in the selected futures, you can see last standalone agent template is the one we are going to get it. ODI standalone agent and ODI standalone agent template is the one which the future was going to be installed. And you select the enterprise installation.
Prem, is it recording?
I believe. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see anything? The difference is added. ODI J2EE. In the selected futures, can you see that ODI J2EE?
Yeah. There,
That is a
that is the difference. Say here we have standalone agent. If we say enterprise installation, J2EE is coming.
both. It gets the standalone as well as the J2E. Both will have it.
Oh, okay. Both. Okay.
Generally, development environment doesn't require the J2E agent because we are not going to use it for the production. It's only for the development. It's okay because in the ODI studio itself, we have an internal agent is there. that is the one which can take care of executing your jobs on demand. But as if you want to do, if you want to do the scheduling, if you want to do the agent, internal agent which is available in my ODI studio cannot do that. Scheduling cannot be done.
Okay,
And
got it.
on demand, we can use the internal agent. That means only when we
Okay,
require a job to be scheduled, we need to have the agent to be configured.
okay, okay, got it. Yeah, that's the important point. I understood, Prem, because what is the difference between standalone and enterprise
Right,
installation?
right. Go with the next install. As now we installed already WebLogic, it will proceed further. If the WebLogic is not there, it was not going to be proceed the installation. It will ask you to install the WebLogic server first.
Okay, okay, that is the prerequisite to ODI. Okay,
Yes, correct. On ODA, that too enterprise edition. If you go with the standard edition, if you go, it doesn't expect to have the WebLogic server.
okay, okay, got it. Can I click on install?
Yes, it's good. Now go to the downloads. Yesterday we downloaded the MySQL Workbench and as well as the MySQL server. That is the one which we are going to use it for the source.
Okay,
MySQL, MySQL, you need to unzip that, I believe. They are in the zip format. Right click, unzip, extract here. This is the one. Go to the MySQL folder. This is the MySQL folder has got created. Scroll down. Go. It is not. Yeah. There is a folder. Go inside the folder. Do you have anything like a setup? This is a bin. Go inside the bin. This is like a binary input. Go with the workbench. You don't need to do this one. Go to the workbench. Downloads. Downloads. Go to the
okay,
downloads. There we have one workbench. Is the MySQL workbench we have. Double click on it. Along with the workbench, it will do the MySQL server also. I think. Let me check it. Go ahead with the next. Next. Complete. Next. Yeah. Next. Install.
yeah, Prem. Now this wizard came. Wizard completed.
Hello?
Yeah,
Can you hear me? Yeah.
yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, Prem.
Okay. Show me that workbench is finished. Yeah.
Yeah, it's finished. Can I click on finish?
Yeah. Workbench is good, but no server. Server is required. And with the download, the one may not be the correct one. And go to the browser,
Okay.
MySQL, download MySQL community server, MySQL community server. With that,
And
yeah, yeah,
okay, the
that's all.
okay
Go with
the
the
earlier one not properly downloaded. That's whatever.
something that because that is a zip file we have. At
Okay,
unzip it is there, but we don't have the installer. That is the reason I'm
okay,
trying.
okay, okay.
Go with the first link and Microsoft Windows, MySQL installer. This is the community server. Yeah. Now go to the download page. Down you can see the download page. We'll download it again. We'll go to the download again and see it whether it is downloading the same file or different file.
Okay.
We may be which the zip archive. No, not this zip archive. It should be the that is the reason problem happened. Go top. We can see the go to download page. Windows x68 36. Yeah. Go to download page is there one link.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the one which we downloaded is a zip file.
Yeah. Got it.
Now this is the one only we have a 32-bit only we have. Okay. We don't have the 64. It's okay. And Windows X is 32-bit MSL. MySQL community web community. Down one with the 565 MB one.
Okay.
Click on
Means
download.
actually from these two you selected the down one. How you differentiated? Just curiosity question, Prem.
The top one is a web. That means only the small file will download. After when you're installing, the packages will be downloaded from the internet and do the installation. That is a web-based one. That means web-based means the binary which you download is small, but when you're installing, it was going to download everything and was going to install. The second one is offline. Second one is the offline installer. The top one is the online installer.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Last one. No thanks. Just start my download. Check it. The ODI is completed. With the next finish. This studio has got installed.
Okay.
Now I need to create the repository schema.
Okay.
Finish. The audio studio has got installed. So the downloads you go. It is finished almost. Let me do it. Almost. Now you can double click. Double click here.
For any database, we already made a static IP.
Yeah, yeah.
So We no need to do once again.
And that too, the MySQL doesn't make with the IP address. It won't look. It doesn't make. But Oracle only it looks. That too, it doesn't works on an IP6. That because of that only the Oracle database has. We need to configure the static and as well as with the IP4. But the MySQL we don't have that restriction.
Okay, understand. So even though we do not configure them, it will work.
Yes.
Okay.
You can add the MySQL server. You select the MySQL servers. You can select that one right arrow. For example, select that the right arrow. Is it allowing?
No.
Select the MySQL server inside one, expand it and try it. No, inside one, inside.
Yeah.
And expand an application. Select that MySQL applications. You select the top level itself. Select it and try to add.
No.
It's not allowing. Go with the one by one. Yeah. Shell and root also. Documentation doesn't require. Go ahead with the next.
Server application or router. Okay. Is something enable checkbox not required, no? Select
No.
features
No.
page to customize features.
Execute. And workbench, you go to the workbench, the down taskbar, I can see the workbench, the taskbar here, but you can close it. Now go to your seed, Oracle, middleware, Oracle underscore home, ODI, bin, RCU here, no. Go one step back, one more step back, Oracle underscore common, bin, it's not there. Go one step back, ODI Studio, common it is not
We
there.
already finished this.
I'm looking for a one file called as an RCU that is not available here. Go back to the ODI folder and go to studio folder,
Yeah, I'm in the studio.
bin folder.
Bin.
No, not this. 1 minute. It should be available in the Oracle common. Okay. Oracle underscore common bin only should be there. Go to the ODI folder. Go once. Okay. Go to the Oracle home. Oracle home. You go. Go inside the Oracle. Go one step back. Oracle home. No. Back. Go with the back. Oracle underscore home. Go to the middleware. Oracle underscore home folder. There you can see the Oracle underscore common. Oracle underscore common. No, not double L. Oracle underscore common. Bin RCU. Yeah. You can run the Windows batch file RCU. Double click. This is a utility which we call as a repository creation utility. With help of that, we create the repository schema we create. Go ahead with the next. We are going to create the repository. Go ahead with the next. You give the host name. Your ODI Nagaraj, that host name we mentioned. Port number 1521. Port number 1521. Service name ORCL PDB. Username sys and password capital W welcome one. We are telling to create the repository in my database in this database. Go ahead with the next. Hello, are you speaking? I am not able to hear you. Hello, are you speaking? I am not able to hear you. Let me try. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Okay.
Go ahead with the next.
So here, sys is a schema, right?
Username. Username or schema. Yeah.
Okay.
This
And
user
it is,
only.
yeah,
This user
please.
only has the privilege to create the table space and all those. Only the sys user has the privilege. As we need to give only the sys user with the sys DBA privilege only, we need to give it. By that, he will have the rights to create the table spaces and all those.
Okay. And this master and work will comes under this account, this user account.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Can I click on next?
Yes, click. As you can see, check with the pre-request and the database is version is matching or not, and go with the OK.
Initializing repository configuration. Okay.
You can OK.
Okay.
And you see the dev, it's going to create with the dev prefix. And the down we have a Oracle Data Integrator is there. That is the one you select. Oracle Data Integrator. This is going to create with the schema name. What the name it's going to create the schema? Dev underscore ODI underscore repo.
Okay. One schema common to both repositories, right?
Yes, correct. The
Okay.
physical schema, the database physical schema is the common for creating the both master and work repository. If you require to create a separate schemas, if you want to create, we need to create manually. That I will show you later.
Okay.
Now go ahead with the next.
Okay. And this is as it is created with dev prefix. Do we need to any confusion on environment, whether it is for dev schemas or production schemas, something like that?
Like when you're creating, we can use the prefix what text you want to add. Because going to add the ODI underscore repo is the one which is going to add. Its name, your wish, what the name you want.
Okay, depends on the environment we are creating. correct?
Yes, environment we are creating, and even for the dev, for example, GR development we have. You give the dev envy. If your development is in Boston, you dev Boston. Your name is your wish.
Okay. Just to
Right?
differentiate schemas.
Yes. Even in some dev, you use only D. DNY you use. DNY stands development year. That is an abbreviation you can have it. And based on that,
Okay. And one more question, Prem. If these schemas, no different schemas for different environment, right? The
yes,
database remains same. Only schema changes for different environment. Is it true?
it's not. Yeah, it's not compulsory to use the same database. You can use the multiple databases also. And
Okay.
multiple servers also, different servers. It's not compulsory
o-
to use everything in the one. As we
Okay.
have only the one database server we are using that. If we have the production
Okay.
also to create, we use this one. But if we have some other database server, we can use that.
Okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you, Prem. I'm just. Can I click on next now?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And it's.
Welcome one. Next. Here supervisor is the password. Supervisor is the default administrator. For him the password I am giving as a capital W welcome one.
Okay.
Supervisor is the default administrator user.
Okay. Means there is a one user while creating the repository. Yeah, we are creating one super user role user, right?
And confirm the password. And workload types we have work repository types we have like a development and production we have, or we call it the production or execution repository. We'll need to give the DRE. We give the D now. I'll tell you the difference between that latter.
Okay.
And work repository name, we give the work rep itself. This is a logical name. Even though in the physical schema dev underscore ODI underscore repo only it was going to create both master and work repository, but the logical name for my work repository is work. Give the name. Some name we can give
Okay.
it. I am giving as a work rep.
Okay. Logical name.
For that also you give the password as a capital W welcome. When you do with an RCU, we have the only one physical schema will be created. In that only both master repository and as well as a work repository we are going to. If you want to have it as a separate, if you want to have it, we need to configure those things from the database level. We need to create the users and we need to configure the users in my ODI studio. That also I'll show you that. The
Okay.
password. Go ahead with next.
Okay. This work repository name in capital, that's fine, no?
Okay, fine. Next, as it is going to create those table spaces and all those things it is going to do. To create the table spaces only, I need to have a user who is having the sysdba privileges. The sys user is having the sysdba privileges. That's the reason I run with the sys user.
Oh, understood. Got it. Because as another account system is it is for only for
Does not have,
yeah.
does not have the privilege to create the tables.
Okay. Got it. That's the reason we used. Okay.
Next, okay, create. Now it create those all the schemas will be created.
Okay. And master and work repository, it is a schema owner. That's okay because as we do not require understood schema for separate.
Go to the MySQL.
Okay.
What happened?
Complete.
Yeah. Click on next, and this is the port number. It is using 3306 port. Go ahead with the next. You give the password capital welcome @123 because it won't accept it without the symbol. Capital W welcome. Next.
So at the rate 123 here. Okay. That is directly welcome 123. Okay.
Go with the next.
This is no need to save, no?
No, I know that. Anyhow, I'll show you.
Okay.
Those port numbers are posted. Next, execute. Now the database server will be installed. MySQL database server will be installed with those root user password.
Okay.
So go back to that. Yeah, it's done. Finish. Go to the next. Finish. The router is not configured. Also, router is not required. Cancel it. Router is not.
Yeah, you want me to finish or cancel?
Cancel it. Anything is okay. Yes.
Oh, I need to say finish only. I'm coming back here.
No problem. Next you go. Go ahead with the next. Finish. Okay, exit. Because this is a shell. Like
Okay.
how the SQL plus like that, it is a place where we can. Anyhow, we are using the workbench. Close that.
Okay.
Now close this. Close. Now open the workbench. MySQL workbench. You need to search. Go with the search option. Type there MySQL workbench. Yeah.
Now, can I open or run as administrator?
Anytime better run as administrator.
Okay.
Down we can see the connection is, before we don't have the connection, now it's created a connection now down. Scroll down, you can see the one connection is created.
Yeah. Okay. Understand.
Open the connection, click on that. Now you give the capital one, welcome 1, and save it.
Your password in Vault. Okay. I just said welcome at the rate of 123.
Yes, correct. That's what the password we have given.
Yeah.
Now it is able to successfully connect. Workbench is similar to the SQL developer, the front end part, and it is able to connect to my back end, my SQL server.
Okay.
Now go back to that RCU has completed.
Okay.
The ODI RCU completed.
Yes, I guess.
It's completed. Then only it will close. You can go to the open the ODI Studio. You can search ODI Studio. Connection 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, open that ODI Studio.
Run as admin or always?
Yeah, better run as administrator anytime. And it is expecting that this file you copy that file name, that MVR SCR some 100.dll. You can take a screenshot or something. You take it.
Okay.
This is a file. It is expecting, as it is not available, this file and this file is available in the database folder. It is available. We go to the File Explorer, C drive, App folder.
Okay.
C drive, App folder, App, Nagaraj, 1 minute. Go back and go to the DB19C folder. DB19C folder. Here you can see the JDK bin and look for that file, that MVR SCR file. Here we should have it. Click on alphabet M. In this you can see MVR SCR file. Yeah, that is the file.
MVR SCR 100.
That only.
Yeah. Yeah.
Copy that file.
And the JDK folder we are seeing in this DB19C, it is by default it came right when we installing the database.
Yes.
Is it?
When we unzip the database, there we have one JDK bundle.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to the C drive, Java, JDK bin, paste it here.
And Prem, sorry, I forgot. Why we are pasting here? Why it is required?
Because
The
it is
database, this file.
when the ODA when you are launching it, it expecting this file, because the Java file has to be open. It is expecting this DLL file. As the DLL file is missing, the error message, if you see it, won't see that error message.
Run the Java virtual machine located at part.
And the JRE bin, you can paste it in the JRE bin or JDK bin. You can see the location where it is expecting, for example.
Yeah, it is JDK bin.
JDK bin or JRE bin? JRE bin. Under the JDK, JRE bin. You paste it in the
Under the JDK, it is JRE bin.
You paste it there.
Okay, I think we pasted somewhere. Can I cut it?
No, you paste it here. No, now you try to launch the ODI Studio and see.
Okay. Oh, it's took.
He's asking whether do you have the old environment, anything has to be upgraded to the new environment. You don't have the old environment.
Although we pasted in JDK, it worked, Prem.
Yes, it will work. That's fine.
Okay.
Because even the JRE bin, if you keep also, it looks for the file in the JDK, it is available that one up.
Okay.
Now click on connect to repository. Click on plus symbol. In the driver list. In the driver list drop down, you need to select the driver. Oracle JDBC driver and go with the URL. Search icon, you click on the search icon. And magnifier icon, you click. Okay. After @ symbol, you need to modify it. After @ symbol, you need to give your host, your ODI Nagaraj, full colon, your port number 1521.
Okay.
And your service name Oracle PDB.
So
After slash.
Okay.
After slash, we need to give the Oracle PDB. That format is like that. Your mission name, full colon, 2 dots, the port number, slash, your service.
Oracle PDB, right?
Yeah, the greater than symbol you need. Now down we have an option to test.
Yeah. Can I click on?
Yes.
Success.
Okay. Now go to the work repository. Down we can see the work repository. Now it's connected only to the master repository. The work repository logical name I need to configure. Go with the down work repository.
Okay.
And select icon. Select the select icon. Click on that magnifier icon, and it will show you the name of your work repository. That is the work. Click OK. Now go with the test, or you can go with the OK.
1 second.
This is the way like I can able to install a ODI and run the RCU, create the repository schema from my ODI.
Okay.